All right, how much time you got left, Keon? Okay. So I'll take off and then you can land.
Throttle cut. Normal mode.
All right, going up.
Timer cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
Okay, I'm right behind you. Okay. I'm doing one right behind you.
Time remaining. 3 minutes. Landing.
I'm doing a touch and go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna take off once you land, unless you got. You gotta land too.
No, I'm good. I got a few more minutes. You can come on up. Oh yeah. I'm doing a low pass before you guys come out.
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
Go, Frankie. So something wrong with me. Everybody else has been fine. It's just me.
That was perfect.
Yeah, I didn't. Oh, nice eagles over there. So it's just me. I did everything wrong, I guess. He's also got an A3L in there.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Frankie, rocking it. Wow.
30 seconds.
Oh, I got batteries in mine ready to go.
Dust Devil.
I was waiting for these guys to land.
All right, maybe I got to fly it again. Everybody else is making me look stupid.
Landing.
I'm coming in. Landing.
I ain't going out like that.
No, I'm not. I'm going to fly it again.
10.
I think I did something wrong because everybody else is having a good luck with it.
8.
I'm landing.
7.
Yeah, I'm flying it again. I got to redeem myself. I need some redemption.
Flaps up.
All right, let me fly it again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I'm taxiing back. Come on. All right, I guess I got to try again. Shoot. Looks good, Frankie. Good. You have a gyro. I don't.